is a Jewish staple. Everyone makes it, everyone has it. We're gonna elevate it, and we're gonna take it, like kick it up a notch with our homemade sauce that we have here and the assorted mixes of cold cuts. It's simple, easy, and it's always a crowd pleaser and delicious. We're gonna start off with some store-bought puff pastry. Roll it out to the way you like it, to the size you want. And here we have duck sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, some sweet sauce, sweet and sour sauce it is, I think, from La Choy, and some apricot preserves, the thick one, so it has those pieces, and those are going to be delicious on the inside. We're going to start off, and we're going to top it with a layer of the sauce. Just spread it out. You don't want it to be too thick of a layer, but you can see the pieces of the apricot, and that's what I'm talking about. That's going to add that delicious flavor to it. You want to make sure that you have it all over. So now that it's nicely spread out, the sauce, we're going to start with our meats. So we have 2 dark meats and 2 white meats. We have a dry rub pastrami, corned beef, and we have some Mexican style turkey breast and some honey glazed smoked turkey breast. They are delicious. You can use whatever you want, but I like to have from both, and we're just going to layer one red, dark white. So just start layering. Just about perfect with the pack. What I like to do is I like to do a layer of dark, a layer of white, some more sauce, again a layer of dark, layer of white, and roll it up. That way you get all your flavors and all the sweetness on the inside as well. Spread it out nicely on the whole thing. Just like that. And again, you can use whatever you want for your sauce as well. I know that some people, the traditionalists, use basically duck sauce. I like to mix it up. I like my deli roll sweet in the sauce. The meat gives me that meaty flavor, and we have the spicy turkey as well, so I like that. And that's why I choose my sauce really sweet. And I don't know, sweet always works. People love sweet. There we go. Now comes the next layer. We're up to the corned beef. I love corned beef. It has such a good flavor. The brine adds to it so much. And when you put it in a deli roll, it just adds another layer. Again, you can put whatever you want. I like to layer mine with flavor. So when you bite in, you just get a bite full of flavor. Between the meat and between the sauce, there's just so much going on, and it's delicious, and no wonder people love it. And the final layer. After this, we're going to put another layer of sauce and then roll it up. And yeah, it will get messy when you roll it up. Don't worry, that's why we have some parchment underneath. Not a problem. Don't worry about the roll, don't worry about the dough. No rules to this. Just try to make it tight as much as you can. Just keep it rolling. This one's sticking a little to the parchment paper after I rolled it out. Also, another thing, I like to roll my dough out really thin. I don't like thick dough in my deli roll. Like when there's a layer of dough, I want my meat to be the focal point. Got a nice thick deli roll going on here. Well, we do it a little different as well. Do the outside with the same sauce. You don't need too much. This is instead of either duck sauce or eggs or honey that a lot of people do. Again, you can see the apricot here. This is why I like to add apricot. Yeah. This is basically it. And we're gonna make some slits and top it with some everything bagel spice. Add another layer of flavor. Just gentle. You don't want to cut into it fully. Just want to give it a little bit of a texture. And a look. I put it into the on 425 for about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Check on it. Once it looks done, take it out.